this little opening. It looks like an attic entrance in his duplex, but the attic or whatever entry thing is right over the stairwell where you cannot reach it. It's in the strangest spot. The only way to get in there is over the stairwell, which is like, what, 15 feet? So Adam says. I was ready to explain this away for a few reasons. One, it might just be some sort of insulated space that all residential buildings have. I'm not an architect, so what do I know? It didn't seem relevant enough at the time, so I decided I wasn't going to mention it here. But over the past week and a half, I've been hearing more things above me. A few days after the first sound, I heard a similar thump while I was in the kitchen. Then last night, I heard something small clink to the floor and roll about 6 feet before stopping. Something is going on up there. Maybe it's a raccoon, but maybe it's not. I also can't get over the fact